Hello and welcome to Stock Market Guruji. Yesterday we uploaded two videos. One was about Geojit Financial Services and second was Infosys, the king of all shares. I hope you have watched both the videos, and if not, please watch the videos as those videos are full of important insights of the two companies that I talked about. If you are new to the stock market and if you don't have any Demat account, please get one, and I would recommend you to have Angel One app to start trading. Angel One was earlier known as Angel Broking, and in the description of this video I have provided a link from where if you get the app you will get plenty of benefits. So please have Angel One app as your Demat account. Now let's come to this video, and before starting the content of this video I would like to have request you to consider few things. First, before being invested in the stock market, do basic research about the company that where you are investing. Number two, please do not listen to the advices of several YouTubers blindly. Number three, before investing even a single penny, please consult your financial advisor. Now let's come to today's share, and as you can already see, the share is Ashok Leyland. Ashok Leyland is one of the finest automobile companies in India, and it's presently trading at a very attractive value. I hope you are aware that from 2017-8, 2018, there was a downside in the automobile industry, and that affected almost all the automobile shares in the market. So Ashok Leyland was not an exception. It was even also hurt, and during pandemic it reached the bottom, and after that it started showing some recovery. Even though the company is still not making very handsome profits, but it has a very bright prospect considering the age of electrical vehicles coming in India. So Ashok Leyland is going to be one of the key players in the coming days in the electrical vehicle segment, and that puts it in to be a strong contender for a very behemoth automobile company in the coming days. So let's look at the chart pattern of Ashok Leyland, and you will see that presently it's trading at 139 rupees, which is a very attractive price. And let's see what are the parameters saying. Return versus FD rate, that is green. Dividend returns, that is good. Although I personally believe that dividend return from Ashok Leyland could have been a bit better. Entry point, good time to consider as the stock is not in overbought zone. So the you can definitely consider this stock to be in your portfolio, and there are no red flags. Stock is not in ASM GSM list, and not a lot of promoter holding is pledged. So let's look at the maximum chart pattern. So you can see that Ashok Leyland is presently trading at a price which is near its all-time high. Its all-time high has been 167 rupees. This is the maximum chart pattern. You can see around 22 years back this was trading at as low as 1.7 rupees, but from there it started a very good journey till here. So that was in 2018, and after 2018 it reached its peak, and then there was a sharp fall. So it reached the pinnacle at around April 2025-26, and the highest value was 167 rupees. And after that there was a sharp fall, and then again after, as the pandemic situation in India started improving, there was a steep rise, and it started after that it again fell, and it reached a bottom of around 120, and then again there was a rise, and presently it's trading at 139 rupees, which is a very attractive price. So let's look at other things about this company, and you will see let's go to the forecast page. 73% analysts have suggested that investors can buy this stock from 41 analysts. So that's a good number. So out of 41 analysts, 73% are recommending this stock to have in your portfolio, and they expect that in 2023 January the target price is something around 190 rupees. So this is a very attractive valuation for the company in the coming 1 year. Then let's look at the financials. And as I already said, that automobile sector was heavily hurt during the pandemic or before that, so the profit, we cannot expect very good profit from this company. Total revenue, as you can see, from 2019 onwards there has been a decline. Even to in comparison to 2020, there was a decline in 2021. But we can expect that as this company will be heavily invested in the electrical vehicle sector, so there can be a rise in the coming days. Or maybe if you consider a 5-year time period, and if you remain invested in instead of trading, if you remain invested for a long time in this company is definitely going to be a profit earner for you. The reason is very simple. I believe that just pick a company, seeing its presence. For example, you can see how many trucks or how many buses you have seen bearing that logo of Ashok Leyland. Ashok Leyland is having its presence all over the country, and it has several contracts abroad as well. So considering its voluminous presence all over the country or even abroad, we think, and considering its footsteps in the electrical vehicle segment, we think that Ashok Leyland is going to be a very good player in the coming days in the automobile sector, and that is the reason I suggest you to be invested. Even the pundits of the market, they are also suggesting you to invest in this stock, considering it as a future stock, even though present price is not very high, which makes it very attractive for the small investors. I think in the coming days this will be a good share to have in your portfolio. See, ICICI Securities, they are giving a target price of 167 rupees. And remember, this 167 rupees target is a short-term target, not a long-term target. And this ticker tape, they are suggesting that the forecast is 190 rupees in the coming days. But in my personal opinion, if you can hold this stock for the next 5 years or so, you can definitely see a value something around 300 rupees. I'm not suggesting that this is going to be a 1000 rupees stock or 2000 rupees stock. Ashok Leyland, from its present position, I think it can reach a target of 300 rupees in the coming 4-5 years. So if you are a long term investor, please then be invested in this stock. Holdings, there is nothing to be very inspired of from its holding, because we can see the promoter holding that remains the same. Foreign FIIs 17% in June reduced to 16.33, and December 15.05. Then other domestic institutions or mutual funds, you can see around total, there has been a sharp mutual funds 11% in June, then 13% in September, and 14% in December. Other domestic investments 6.68, 5.93, 6.57. So mutual funds increased their stake in the stock in the previous quarters. So, and you can imagine in almost all the stocks, foreign FIIs reduced a bit in the last 1 or 2 quarters. So that is quite expected. And events, I'm not very much satisfied with the dividends that the Ashok Leyland pays. You can see in August 31 2021, 0.6 rupees. Before that in March 2020, 0.5, 3.10 in 2019, 2.43 in 2018. So you see, over the years from 2018 onwards or 2019 onwards, there has been a decline in the dividend payout. This may be because the profit of the company has come down, and company had to really face troubles following that 2018 downside. So we can expect that if the company does perform good in the coming days, then the dividend payout ratio will also be higher. And this is so far. And let's look at the how many bonus shares, how many times this company has given bonus shares. This company has given so far, it has given twice. One was long back in 1978. This a good thing about this company is that it is not a new company. It has been there in the market for more than 50 years. So it's a good, long time player. So in 1978, 1:2 ratio bonus, and in 2011, 1:1 ratio bonus. So these are the basic things we can expect. If the company performs well, we can expect in the coming days it can give bonus. But let's not be invested by just thinking about bonus or dividends. Let's analyze the quality and of the stock, and only then we'll go for the quantity. So this is all about today's video. And again, I will request you not to listen to the advices of others blindly. Do your own research, and only after that, when you are satisfied about a stock, be invested in a stock. This is all about today's video, and thank you for watching this video, and will meet you very soon. Thank you.